Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the default sender email address. Just click on this. First of all, under the settings, go to notifications and just click on this edit button and keep it inbuilt in EcoReturns and change the email address that you wish to replace with. Once you've chosen the email address, you can click confirm and update. As soon as you do that, you will receive a verification link from Amazon Web Services, the new inbox. Go to your inbox and open the email and click on the verification link to verify your email address. Once you do that, you will receive a congratulations success message. Then you can go back to EcoReturns and wait for a few seconds. Yes, the email address has been validated and been replaced by the one that you've chosen. Um, you can also edit all the email templates that is going out to the customer. These are the events descriptions, and you can enable or disable any of the templates here. You can also edit and change the content of the email. These are the variables which you can use, and you can also uh, put a Clavio or a HTML template by clicking on the source here and send a fully HTML email as well. I hope you find this useful. Thank you so much.